This is Chris. We're gonna show you how to do the naan. Now this oven is on. You got the bottom burner, the top burner. Everything is ready to go. We're gonna do our test in a second. Hey guys, this is the naan that we received from you guys. We took it overnight in the fridge. We put it here to get to room temperature. It's nice and ready to go. It rolls really easy. We rolled some of them here. And now we're gonna put it in the oven, and I'll show you also again how we roll it, but this is how we rolled it to make naan, and we're gonna put it in the oven momentarily. All right guys, we're gonna show you how to bake the naan on our pita naan oven. All you have to do is just put it down. These are fairly large size naan bread. So we're gonna let it rotate for about three turns, and we should be ready. So this is the first turn obviously. You see the crust is starting to build. And we're gonna let it go for 2 more times after this. And again, it depends on how you want to cook it. If you want it crispy, you let it more. If you want it a little bit soft, you take it out on the 3rd turn. So this is our naan, cooked underneath. We're gonna give it another turn. Same thing here. It's already cooked on the bottom. This is our naan bread. It's cooked from both sides. Hey guys, we did our first test, so this is the naan that came out. This is the bottom of the naan, this is the top of the naan. So you can see how pliable and nice it is. I'm gonna show you a full video from putting it on to retrieving it, but this is the result of the naan. Second turn, we're gonna probably leave it till the 3rd turn, all in less than a minute. We can slow down the speed of the rotation if you desire. But here we like it on number 6. It does a good job. So I'm gonna show you close up here. So it did cook it. We want to have it cooked a little bit more, so we leave it in. So this seems to be nice. It's already cooked. I'm gonna retrieve it. I'm gonna show you the bottom. And this we're gonna leave it another turn to see how to achieve a little bit more cooking crispiness. So this is done. Let me show you the bottom. And then we're going to retrieve the last one here. Let's take a closer look here. So we got the naan.